The table indicates that we have had an increase of 48,190 or 6.4% over the previous year. Mama, this is also higher than the expected increase rates of about 3 to 3.5%. Somehow the men have not they have not been able to wrap their heads around what is in English that they cannot do well. So every year the girls are giving them a bloody nose. However, when they come to social studies, integrated science and mathematics, their performance is better. It should also be noted from the table that, Mama, the distinction scores have dropped in all the subjects. And this reflects on the difficulties that the candidates had with questions requiring higher ability levels.
I want to thank God and thank UNEB for a successful end of cycle examinations and the season, as evidenced by what we have heard from the statement of release of the 2024 PLE results. 2024 PLE results. God bless you all and God bless Uganda.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.